Now then, you're right. Things about this hobby, these boxes get bigger and bigger. And this one, Lego Ideas Treehouse. Interesting. I mean, you know what it is, but it doesn't actually say what it is on the box. It just says 16 plus 21318. But you know it's a treehouse. 3,036 pieces. I don't think I would have ever bought this one. I don't know, just I'm not sure if it would have appealed. Got bought for me. But this is a kit to buy. It is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, hundreds and hundreds of detailed small pieces. A lot of oneers, what I call oneers, and twos. But yeah, let's have a look at the model. This isn't even going to fit in the frame. Here you go, and this weighs 3,000 pieces. I mean, it must weigh, that's a good £10, I would have thought that. £10 bowling ball. The detail is absolutely second to none. If I spin it round, you get just of the 3 huts in the treehouse. And then if I'm careful, and just do it by hand underneath, you see you've got all the detail at the bottom, from the stairs going up, picnic table, little fire and a hot pot there, you've got a river, plants and flowers, little swing. You know, I'm knocking stuff off now. You've got a winch here, telescope, you've got all manner of things. It's absolutely brilliant. It must stand, I'll tell you how big it stands. That's 12, 13, about 14 inches high. The top part, if I can get it without breaking anything else off, top part of the leaves, they all come off in one go. That lets you take the roost off the 3 huts for playability, and the inside the details, I mean, they're really good. It's really quite amusing when you put it all together. All the cupboards and sinks and pipes and beds and animal specimen jars, all manner of things. You've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. That's the main bedroom with the secret compartment under the bed. But yeah, what a kit, what a kit. This is going to be a display for me. Do you know, I can't build this and put it away. So it's just going up the top there in my office. And yeah, Lego Treehouse. Have a look at some photos, I've got them after this vid. And hopefully you can capture a bit more detail. You know, it doesn't do it justice just doing a video like this. But 21316, I think it was 179. But sometimes a lot of pieces doesn't mean a lot of work. Rough terrain crane was 4,000 pieces, but there were all a lot of pins and stuff like that for a Technic set. But this is really good. 3,000 very slow, painstaking work pieces. So yeah, it's not a fast build. I'm not a fast builder, I always try and take my time and savour it. But this isn't particularly fast, but it is a fantastic showpiece, absolutely fantastic. You get spare leaves as well. You can do the yellow and ochre leaves if you want an autumnal field. And you can swap them over. People say it's a bit laborious, but I don't think it's that much, you know what I mean? Nice afternoon's work if you want to do that. Maybe something to do next September, October. But yeah, 5 packets. And 113 spares. Mostly oneers. 113 spares. Lots of tiny little bits and pieces. 4 minifigures. I'll show them on my video. and the box there was just for the winch cable. So yeah, treehouse, brilliant, check it out, worth saving up for. Okay, onto the Lamborghini. Take care, see you soon.